The next workshop that I'm co-facilitating is called Colored Lenses. Now, this is a really cool workshop. It's myself and a colleague. Her name is Valerie Delati. Valerie is originally from Lebanon, and what's really cool about her is not only is she intelligent, but she also has a very different perspective, and she's bringing some unique tools to the United States to help empower businesses to be able to develop high-performance teams much more effectively and understand how to really work in our strengths within our business. Now, for solo entrepreneurs, this is a great workshop because you may not have a team or a staff yet, but someday you might. But more importantly, you have a team known as your customers, and you probably have outside vendors. And if you've ever had times where working with them or trying to collaborate on a project has maybe not been as fluid as you'd like, you need to be at this workshop. Part of what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through a process called Get Your Future into Focus, go from vision to victory. And I'm leading the workshop, and through this part, what we're going to do is we're going to help you get crystal clear on some very unique elements about visioning your future, visioning the outcomes that you want, so that you can have a very specific support plan to help make sure that the vision that you're considering, you're actually going to be able to implement. And then Valerie's going to come in and take you through a really fun and really amazing practical workshop that's going to help you to understand how to take your vision and then bring that into the teams and work with them a little bit differently so that you can get the outcomes you want sooner rather than later. So if you need a good business boost, make sure that you register for the Colored Lenses workshop. It is on Friday morning, February 2nd. We're holding this down at the University Club in San Diego. And for more information, make sure you contact me down below. Click on the link to make sure you get registered. And then keep scrolling and watching the videos because I got 2 more short videos coming up. Thanks.